Bitso Wallet App. The pros, the cons. The Bitso Wallet app is one of the most popular crypto platforms in Latin America, but what makes it stand out and what should users watch out for? Let's dive into the pros and cons of Bitso, and you might be surprised by what we find. Starting with the pros, Bitso's biggest strength is accessibility. It's designed for everyday users, especially in Mexico, Argentina, and Brazil, where crypto adoption is booming. The app supports both crypto and fiat currencies, letting users buy, sell, and transfer assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and stablecoins all within seconds. Another major advantage is compliance and security. Bitso operates as a regulated exchange, meaning it follows strict anti-money laundering and financial security standards. It's one of the few crypto platforms in Latin America licensed by the Gibraltar Financial Services Commission. That gives it credibility and peace of mind for users who care about transparency. Bitso also stands out for its remittance services. It allows users to send money across borders faster and cheaper than traditional banks, often using stablecoins to minimize fees and volatility. For many, it's a game changer in regions where banking systems are slow or expensive. However, there are some downsides. While Bitso is convenient, it's a custodial wallet, meaning the company holds your private keys. Most people overlook this, but it means you don't have full control over your crypto. The platform does. Another con is limited availability. Bitso primarily serves Latin American users. If you're outside those regions, you might face restrictions or limited fiat options. And while the app's interface is simple, it may not appeal to advanced traders who want deeper tools, analytics, or decentralized finance access. In short, the Bitso Wallet app is perfect for beginners and everyday users who want a secure, user-friendly way to manage crypto and fiat in one place. If you live in Latin America and want to make crypto part of your daily life, Bitso delivers. But if full self-custody or global access is your goal, you might want to look elsewhere.